Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox on Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta open up your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or even Brave right here, Opera, you name it, okay? So just gotta find roblox.com, and then once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you gotta log in with your Roblox account. And then once logged in, all you got to do is just find any game. All right. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and find My Cup. I'm going to click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, all you need to do is just wait for this play button. And when you go ahead and hit on play, it will ask you to download the Roblox player. All right. And as you can see here, mine says open Roblox game client because I already have Roblox installed in my computer. Okay, yours will be different. So go ahead and install the Roblox application, and once that's installed, it will just automatically open up the game that you wish to play. Just like this one right here, download Roblox. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for a Roblox right here to load, and after that, My Cup will now be available. Right now, the next time you wanted to play Roblox, you can just go ahead and find your Roblox player right here on your search bar. Open up Roblox player, and then you don't have to open up a website to play a game. All you got to do is just find the game from the application itself from here. You can just easily hit on play, wait for the game to load, and after that, enjoy. That is how you play Roblox on Windows. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.